So you might be wondering, how do you exactly play Surrounded using a controller on PC? Well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the thing with Surrounded here is if you try visiting their store page here, there are a few things that you may notice. Now, usually with Steam games, you should see like a number of support for controllers. But right now, if you try playing or try visiting their page here, there's no option here that says or any mention of controller support. So as of right now, if you're asking are controllers supported inside a game, well, currently it is not. So unfortunately, that's the reality as of right now with Surrounded. So it's still in the early access or in the early development of the game. As you can see, it's still in early access. So it means like developers are still finalizing the game. But then again, how do you start using your controller? Now, the thing with Steam here is some games would still have support for their controller, but it's going to be kind of confusing. So, how do you fix that, or how do you make sure that your controller actually works? So, first things first is you want to make sure that your controller is supported by Steam. Now, typically, Xbox controllers would automatically work for Surrounded, but just in case you want to go to the Steam at the top left here, go to Settings, and in here you want to go ahead and click on the option that says controller at the left side. Now, inside controller, you want to go ahead and basically access the option here that says um, enable Xbox controller. So make sure that you enable this one. And once you have this enabled, next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically open up or run Surrounded. Now, once you are inside Surrounded here, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the thing with controller here, as you can see, I'm already moving around. I'm actually using my Xbox controller here. But then again, a few things to keep in mind in here is that your controls are going to be really, really different. Now, if you go near like interactions in here, so like for example, if you go in the car, it's going to still say F here. So, or like go in, press F. Well, the thing with this one is, you need to press on triangle or Y if you're using like an Xbox controller. So it's going to be mapped out differently. So I would highly recommend you to like test things out. Like if you want to point, so that's L2. Now, if you want to shoot, like R2 is going to be your trigger. Now, if you want to test that out, I would highly recommend you to go to your settings here. And once you are in your settings, so going to select this one, you want to go ahead and go to controls. Let's go and select this one. So let's go to settings, go to controls, and in here you want to go and just go to your movements here. Like for example, if you want to like assign your change firing mode here, so you could go and just assign a few things. Like for example, press Y to see what's the corresponding trigger for it. Like for X, you go and just X, like it is going to be mapped to R. So yeah, basically your Steam is converting or translating whatever you're pressing on your Xbox controller into your PC. But then again, some features, some options may not work properly because again, it's not yet properly supported, and that's the only thing that you need to understand here. So you may not be able to do everything, but that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.